They will turn around and when you get your orchard picked, they range from size, the fruit ranges usually from size 24 down to around about 14 or 16. And they're packed in boxes, and of course we're paid by the box, we're not paid by the individual fruit. And so the bigger the fruit, the more money I get. So that's the way that it sort of works. Anyway, coming out of the sun, come through into the orchard.
Avocado. Oh. Nice.
You'll find next year's crop already growing up on the trees.
Oh, let's sow avocado.
They're starting to get a little bit big, a little bit bigger.
Hello, baby. Excellent. Huh? Give me avocado, baby.
Try and incorporate them. I irrigate quite a bit during the summer. We haven't had rain here till the other day. We hadn't had rain for probably 8 or 9 days. We're just about into the drought season.
So cute. Avocado dog.
Drink a lot of water, and so you've got to keep an eye on it. And I have an aerometer in the ground up there, just up through into there.
Yeah.
Tells me how wet the ground is. And the other day it got up to about 50. I forget what the thing should be. But when it gets up to about that, the ground is getting quite dry underneath. You don't notice it on the surface, but underneath it depends on how far the water has penetrated. On Thursday we ended up with about 28.5 millimetres of rain here. And
Is it cute? Avocado? Oh, your favorite avocado?
And I thought, I better put some water on. And I had them in stages.